Hey everybody, Ryan at Upscale Detail Co. And today we're going to go over paint correction. What it is, how we do it, and what it does. Alright, so let's get started. What is paint correction? Paint correction is going to be the process of removing imperfections from the vehicle's clear coat. First step we got to do is make sure that your vehicle has enough clear coat to work with, and that's going to tell us if some of those deeper swirls, scratches, or more in-depth imperfections are going to come out of the vehicle's clear coat while we smooth it down. What does paint correction do? Now, paint correction does exactly as stated in the first step. We're going to be smoothing out those imperfections. We're going to take all these different swirls and scratches in the paint, different abrasions, whether that comes from incorrect wash methods, whether that comes from a previous detailer that's chosen incorrect methods of polishing or washing, claying, or decontaminating a vehicle. Anything can come in contact with the paint that may harm it, and this is what paint correction is for. So how do we perform a paint correction? We've got a variety of machine polishers that we'll use for each different vehicle's paint. We've got a variety of pads, which is coming in direct contact with the paint itself. And we have a variety of compounds and polishes meant to either cut and smooth down that clear coat or to polish or give clarity to that clear coat. So when you see or hear a detailer say cut, what are they doing when they're cutting the paint? They're essentially just smoothing it down. They're using abrasive materials like compounds matched with heavier cutting or abrasive pads to smooth down the vehicle's clear coat, which is ultimately kind of smoothing down those imperfections that you're seeing in the paint. Now, if a detailer says that they're going to polish a vehicle, they're going to brighten it up some. You may have dull paint. You may have paint that doesn't have good clarity. It looks foggy. It's been oxidized by the sun, and it just doesn't look like it does the day that it came out of the showroom. Well, that's when we're going to do a polish. The polish itself is going to be very, very light in abrasives, and it's going to be a softer pad that we use for the vehicle itself. And this is to finish off. So if you hear dealers say finish, if they're going to be finishing off the paint, they're using a very, very light polish, and they want to get the best shine out of that clear coat that they can after they've cut or compounded the vehicle.